Now, today we are studying uh, worksheet 14, lesson 14, the solar system. First, we have to write the class. This is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GST and date 21/12/2020. So we are solving worksheet 14. Worksheet 14. D. Match the following. Match the following. D. Match the following. D. Match the following. First one is Earth, second Sun, third is Moon, fourth is revolution, and fifth is rotation. Four are given here, and in front of A, the day and night, day and night. B is seasons, and C is star, D planet, and E is satellite. Satellites. These are the columns. Match the column. So first, that is the Earth. Earth is a planet, AD, and the next Sun. This is Sun is star. Sun, it is star, and C, third Moon. Moon, that is a satellite, that is natural satellite. Moon, it is a natural satellite, and that is next revolution. Revolution causes day and night. Rotation causes the seasons. So these are the, you have to match the following in a such a way, or you can write in another way. You can write it another way, that maybe that is A, that is first Earth, it is in front of Earth. You have to write first, that is Earth. So which is correct? Earth, that is planet. Earth, D. Planet. And second, Sun, in front of sun you have to write, that is C. This is star, and third moon. Third is moon. So in front of moon you have to write as the satellite E. This is the natural satellite of the earth. Satellite. And fourth, revolution. Fourth is revolution. So in front of revolution you have to write about the day and night. A. Day and night. And fifth is rotation. Next one, the rotation that causes seasons, that is B. Seasons. So that is, once again you can see here, this is the earth, they are related to in front of earth you have to write about planet, sun, that is star, moon, satellite, revolution, day and night, a rotation. This is about the seasons. So in this way you have to write, that is about the day. And now next we have to write give regions E. Give regions. Now we have to write the E. E. Give regions. Give regions. In this give regions, first, Mars is called the red planet. The question is, Mars is called the red planet. So region we have to write why Mars is called as the red planet. So due to its reddish brown soil, it is called as the red planet. So we have to write Mars is called the red planet. Due to Mars is called the red planet. So Mars is called the red planet because it has reddish brown soil. Mars is called a red planet because it has reddish brown soil. We can write in this bit. Reddish brown soil. Now next question. The last four planets are very cold. The last four planets are very cold. Second question. The last four planets the last four planets are very cold because they are away from the sun. Because they are very far from the sun. Because they are very far from the sun. The second question, the last four planets are very cold because they are very far from the sun. Now next third question, when northern hemisphere has summer, the southern hemisphere has winter. So third question, and we can write the third question here. After reviewing this question, we can write the third question. When northern hemisphere has summer. Third question, when northern hemisphere has summer, the southern hemisphere has winter. Because both are opposite to each other, because both are opposite to each other. Now, thank you. That's for today.